Fine, guys. Today we are going to learn a very fresh topic called as correlated query. Correlated query or correlated subquery. Yes or no, guys? Now, correlated query or correlated subquery, this is a very complex topic. So let us just understand one by one step and let's focus completely. So this is a very interview questions and people ask all these things. So correlated query or correlated subquery is based on two kinds of query. One is the outer query and one is the inner query. Let me just remove this. What is this coming? Give me just 1 second. Hi, Minachi. You can record the session. I'm giving you the recording access. Everyone is recording the session? Yes. Yes, guys. Very good. Now this is outer query. And because here this is outer query and this is inner query. Now correlated query works on correlation. Okay, correlation. Correlation means what, guys? First, see here, first outer query will execute. Based on the outer query, inner query will execute. Then inner query will give output to which query? Outer query. This is step number 3. Step number 4 is what? Finally, outer query will execute. Let us understand once again. First, which query will execute? Everyone, first, which query will execute? Outer query. Guys, give me the answer. First, which query will execute?
Outer query.
Then which query will execute?
Inner query.
Inner query will give output to which query?
Outer query.
And finally, which query will execute?
Outer query.
Outer query. So now you have to understand this inner query will execute based on the outer query. Inner query will execute based on what, guys?
Outer
The
query.
outer query. Am I clear, Kanika? Yes or no? Yes. What about Tannu and all? Did you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Dewey? Yes. Mina,
Yes.
Srikanth? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So first outer query will execute. Based on that, inner query will execute. Inner query will give output to outer query. And finally, which query will execute? Outer query will execute. That is called as correlated query or correlated subquery. Now, so let us just understand what will happen in correlated query. First, outer query will execute. Then what will happen is step number 2.
Second subquery.
Based
Inner
on
query.
based on the outer query,
query.
which query will execute?
Inner query.
Inner query will execute. Then what will happen? Step number 3. Inner query will give output to which query? Output to the outer query. And finally, which query will execute? Finally, outer query will execute. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you understood this much? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us just understand the execution. So suppose I'll taking the first example. Display the details of employee earning first maximum salary. Let us take first example. Details of employee earning first maximum salary. So this can be solved using subquery. What will be the query, guys? If I want to solve using subquery. So let me just open the database so that we can understand clearly. Now see, this is a table, EMP. Now, which is the employee which is having maximum salary? Can you just tell me which is the employee?
King.
Yes. Which is the employee? Which is the employee,
King.
Juhi? King. So how to get the maximum salary? What is the query, Juhi? To get the maximum salary, what is the query?
Select max.
Max of what? Sal from
From
EMP, yes or no?
yes.
Now I want the details of employee. How can I get the details of employee? Who is
Select-
earning first maximum salary?
Select star from
Select a star from
EMP higher.
EMP. Then what is the equating column here? Salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So what will be the query?
select
Select
Select star
star
from
from
EMP.
EMP where salary
salary
equals to what? Select
Equal
max of
max of cell.
sal from EMP. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Why? Because the maximum salary is what? 5,000. So the output of this query will be what? 5,000. And now the outer query will execute. Select star from EMP where salary equals to 5,000. Then we will get the employee earning the first maximum salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So who is the employee?
King.
King. So we'll get King or yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now, after this, this is using a subquery. Subquery, I told you, it's a sequential execution. First, which query will execute? Inner query.
Inner query.
It will give output to which query?
Outer query.
And finally, which query will execute?
Outer
Outer
query.
query. Yes or no? Yes. Now, correlated query works in correlation. Suppose I write an example. Select star from EMP A where 0 equals to select count of distinct B dot cell from EMP B where A dot cell is less than B dot cell. Okay. So now see this query, if I execute, I directly get what? King. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir. Why we use distinct, sir?
Yeah, that is what we learn this query. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm just showing you. Okay. We are
Okay.
getting the first maximum salary detail or not? Yes. So now we'll understand the execution. Okay. This execution will take some time for you guys to understand. So let us just understand and analyze. Okay. So correlated query consists of both joins plus what, guys? Subquery. Joins plus what, guys? Subquery. It works on correlation. That means based on the outer query, the inner query is executing. Let us just understand. Details of employee earning first maximum salary. This is the query I have written. Okay. Now to understand this query, we will break the query. Okay. So how can we break the query? Let us understand this part first. So now tell me, guys, what is this part? Tell me. Select star from EMP A means what? Can you just tell me? What is this part? Select a star from EMP A means what? Kanika, can you tell me?
Sir,
Yeah.
EMP table, this is the alias name.
Yes,
A.
yes. A. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So now where 0 equals to this, I will tell you after some time. Where 0 that you leave it, just understand, select a star from EMP A. Yes or no, Juhi?
Yes.
So now let us understand the inner query. So how to understand the inner query? Let us just break it. Okay. So now let us just understand, guys, this query. So now select count of cell from EMP means what, guys? Can you just tell me what does this mean? Juhi, what does this mean?
Number of rows of salary column.
Of which column? Salary column.
Salary column.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I write this query, what will be the output? Select count of cell from EMP. What will be the output?
The
14.
salary will show. The salary column.
14, sir.
14.
Guys, I'm getting some disturbance. Okay. Now see here. There is 14 record. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, till here, if you have understood, now tell me, if I write here distinct B dot cell, then what will happen? Distinct cell, then what will happen? If I write distinct, what is distinct, guys? I told you what is distinct.
Unique records.
Unique record. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here everything is, suppose I write distinct salary, select count of, if I write like this, select count of distinct salary from EMP, then what will happen, guys? What will be the output? Can you just tell me? What will be the output, Juhi? What do you think?
So we need to count.
Mm,
See, whichever is the
Distinct is unique.
Yeah. So these two are duplicate, yes or no, guys? 3000.
Sir.
This 3000. Let me just show you this query. First, let us just see which are the duplicate. Select star from EMP, order by salary. Okay. Now tell me which are the duplicates, guys. 3000 is duplicate or not?
Yes, sir.
Again,
1250.
and 1250 is duplicate or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, if I write count of distinct salary, what will be the query? What will be the output? Can you just now tell me?
12.
10, sir.
Hmm?
10,
What will be
10.
the output? Tell me.
10.
Who is
Unique,
telling 10? Tell me.
Kanika.
No. For this two, there will be one count. Yes or no, guys?
Okay. Then 12.
And for these two, there will be one count. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
The total count will be how many?
12.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? Yes or no, guys?
Mm.
Any doubt? No doubt. Till here, this is a very, very simple thing what we have done.
Mm.
Now, let us move ahead. E dot cell is less than B dot cell. This is very important. This is very, very important. I told you at the time of execution, first from and then the where condition. So from this table, where A dot cell is less than B dot cell. To understand this, let me just copy the table so that you can understand it. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let me just open that. Now see. Yeah, see now, guys. If I take this query, now let me just have a duplicate of this one. Yes, now see here. Now this is a table EMP whose name I have changed to what, Juhi? A. Yes
A.
or no? And this table EMP I have changed the name to what? B.
B.
Yes or no, guys? Yes. So B dot cell means its salary. A dot cell means this table salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So if I write A dot cell is less than B dot cell, what does this mean? Can you just tell me? It will start comparing this salary with this salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 800, is it less than 800? Yes or no, guys? What is the output? Is it true or false? First tell me.
False.
False.
False. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So count will be 0. Okay, this is the count. This count is 0. Okay, now
Okay,
tell
sir.
me. Next record. 800 will be compared to 1600. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it false or true?
True, sir.
True. Count will increase from
1.
0 to 1. That means count will be what?
1.
Count equals to count, the current count plus 1. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, again, 800 will be compared to the next record. What is the next record, guys? Tell me. 1250. Is it false or true?
True.
True, sir.
Next is 9.
True. The count will be what?
2.
2. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
No. Like that, it will be compared to all these records and we will get the output. Okay. So that is not equals to 0 because the output of this inner query, is expected to be 0. If it is 0, then it will be the maximum salary. What will happen is when A dot cell is less than B dot cell, and this will be, then this select query will execute. What will happen is when it will compare, it will count those distinct salaries wherever this A dot cell is less than B dot cell. And if that count is 0, 0 equals to 0, and then what will happen? That is the maximum salary. But that is not the case of 800. Now let us just see an example of different example of king. Okay. So let me come to this king. Let me keep the salary as 5,000. Take this example. Let us start. A dot cell is less than B dot cell. 5,000. Is it less than 800? Yes or no, guys?
No.
No, sir.
False. Count is what?
0.
Similarly, 500. Is it less than 1600? No. Count is false. The status is false. Count is 0. Yes or no, guys?
Sir,
Yes.
that is,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Any doubts?
no.
Now, oh, yeah, sorry, 5,000. This is not
Yeah,
500.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, please tell. Guys, ask anything you want, okay? Please ask, okay? Next, guys, 5,000 is compared to now 1250. What will be the output? False. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Count will be 0. Like that, 5,000 will be compared to all these records, and finally it will be compared to 5,000. So when 5,000, like that, when 5,000 is compared to 5,000, this is the maximum value. What is the output? Status is false and count is 0. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now count is 0. So the output of this inner query, is what, guys? Tell me. What is the output of this inner query?
0.
0. And is 0 equals to 0? Yes. Now what will happen is the output of this query will be 0. And what will happen is this will be the query where 0 equals to 0. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
here count distinct b dot cell. What's the output for only for this?
Yeah, I'll tell you. First,
Hmm.
listen. Where 0 equals to 0, okay, this condition is met. Then what will happen is for that particular record, this will display where 0 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0 is for which record? King record. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, to understand this part, I know you are getting confused for this particular part. So let me just write down a simple query. Now tell here, select count of star from EMP where salary less than, suppose I take 3,000. What will be the output, guys? Tell me. What will be the output?
Sir, less than 3,000.
Yeah, what will be the
1,
output?
2, 3, 4,
The
5,
total record is
7, 8, 9, 10,
14
11,
minus
sir.
3 is what? 11 record will be there.
11.
Yes, sir.
These are the records which are less than 3,000. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So count is based on this condition. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the output is 11 or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, here what will happen? Count of distinct B dot cell. That means unique salaries. Okay. If I write here, see here. Now I write here. Select count of distinct salary from EMP where salary is less than 3,000. Now tell me what will be the output? Tell me, guys.
Sir, 12. No, sorry.
See,
Distinct
salary which are
cell
less than
less
3,000 is
than
how many
3,000.
records? 11 records. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
In that, any duplicates are there?
Yes,
Sir,
Which is the
10,
duplicate?
1250.
So
12,
what will be
50,
the output this time?
10.
10.
10. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Because this is out of duplicate, only one count will come. So the output will be 10. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, see this query. Count of distinct salary from which table? B table, where A dot cell is less than B dot cell. Okay. So now this will count the distinct salary wherever this condition is met. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now, if you see here, now see here what will happen, guys. This 800, if you see in this particular 5,000 example, the count is always 0. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So this particular output, this count is what? 0. For which particular condition? For the condition of king. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So this particular inner query output is what? 0. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Sir, how,
And
sir?
good,
Sir,
good.
in B, 10 is the distinct value, na? Here, distinct value is 10. Output
No,
is 10.
listen. That is an example I told you to understand count function. Okay. Now
Okay.
understand this particular entire query. Okay.
Okay.
First, which query will execute in correlated query? Tell me. First, which query will execute?
Sir, outer query.
First query which will execute is who? Which query? Tell me.
Outer query, sir.
What is your outer query? This one, yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What will be the output of this query? Select a star from EMPA where 0 equals to. Is this the output? Select a star from EMPA. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No. Now which query will execute?
Inner query.
Inner query. What is the inner query? Tell me.
Sir,
This is the query. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
yes, sir.
Now this query will work based on the outer query. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So what is this query telling? Count the distinct salary from this table, B table, wherever this A dot sal is less than B dot sal. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now this will be the count from this B table, wherever it will start comparing this A salary with B salary. So if suppose I take one record, 800, the count was 0. But for 1600, the count is 1. For 800, when compared to 1250, the count is 2. Again, similarly, if I compare this 800, okay, so 800 will be compared to 2975, the count will be 3. Again, it is 1250. So this is duplicate. So the count will be 2 only, because distinct salaries I want where there is a salary, A dot sal is greater than B dot sal. So see here, this thing, 800 when compared to, what is the next value? 2975. What will be the count, guys? Is it true or not? Yes.
Two,
Count
sir.
is what? 2. Yes or no, guys?
Three,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sorry. Count is 3. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now 800 will be compared to which value? Tell me. 1250. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
So
Sir.
is it true or false?
True.
True.
True, sir.
But will the count increase? Count will not increase. Tell me why?
Because
Because
we have
this
already
value
count before.
and this value is same. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So out of this, we'll get one distinct count. So here the count will be 3 only. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Similarly, it will be compared to all the values and we'll get some count. But what will happen, guys? That particular count is not equals to 0. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So that is not the maximum salary. We wanted the maximum salary. So what will happen? Similarly, 1600 will be compared, 1250 will be compared. All these values will be compared, and now comes 5000. Now, when 5000 started comparing with all these values, guys, what happened is 5000 compared to 800. The condition was false. The count was 0. Again, it is compared to all these values. The condition is always false and count is always 0. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So when the count is 0, and that is what was the expectation of the outer query. Outer query told, I want the data from this table where 0 equals to 0. That
Yes,
means
sir.
the inner query should give me the output as 0. Wherever it is 0 equals to 0, display that particular record. So that 0 equals to 0 is coming for which record? King.
King.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the first maximum salary or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because for rest of the conditions, it will be count equals to 1, count equals to 2. Then that is not the maximum salary. Then the outer query will not execute. Then the outer query will not fetch that particular record. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Only for king count equals to 0 equals to 0. That means this is the maximum salary. This
Sir,
is
if
the-
you don't take distinct here, then even you will get the 0 in subquery.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then
I will
why
get-
you took
Because it
this?
will increase the performance, right? Why to compare with duplicate values? Yes or no,
Okay,
guys?
okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So now tell me, did you understood correlated query? Yes or no, guys? Yes. First, which query will execute? Tell me.
Outer query.
Outer query. Based on the outer query, what will happen? Every record of outer query is looking which is the maximum salary. It came here. And then it started the comparison of the salary from every record. And for which of the record, the count from the inner query, I got 0, and that 0 equals to 0 from the inner and outer query, that became the maximum, that became the employee which is having the maximum salary. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the query to get the first maximum salary. Now tell me guys, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Very good. Now, this is for first maximum salary. First maximum salary. What will happen, guys, is the condition is what? Count should be what? Count should be what, guys?
0.
This
0. And if I take for second maximum salary, what will be the count?
Sir, 1.
Count will be 1. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So
Yes.
what will be the query? Select a star from. Select a star from EMPA. Where what?
1
1 equals to what?
select count
Select count of
count
distinct
distinct what? B dot
B
cell
dot cell
from
from
EMPB where what, guys? A dot
A
cell
dot
is
cell.
less than B dot cell. Yes or no, guys?
yes
Yes, sir.
This will give me what, guys? Second maximum salary query. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
yes
This is the people who are earning second maximum salary. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Second
Yes,
maximum salary is 3,000. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So if I want for the fifth maximum salary, what I have to do? Can you just tell me?
Sir, count will be 5.
No, no, no. What do you think,
Oh.
Juhi? What will be for fifth maximum salary?
5th.
4
Count will be what?
4
Sir, 4.
4. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the modification in the query? Tell me.
where
Select.
where 4
4 equals to. Yes or no, guys?
Hmm.
So if I want n maximum salary, so what will be in the inner query?
n minus 1
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes,
If
sir.
we want n maximum salary, what would be in the where condition? What would be in the where condition? Tell me, guys. N minus 1. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
So now my question to you is, if using subquery, I wanted the detail of second maximum salary, employee earning second maximum salary, using subquery, what would be the answer? Using subquery, I want the second maximum detail of employee earning second maximum salary. What will be the answer? Select a star from EMP, where salary equals to what?
1.
select max
Using subquery, select max of cell
of cell
from EMP,
Mhm.
where what? Salary less than what, guys? Select
less than
max
select
of
of cell.
cell from which table? EMP. Yes or no,
EMP.
guys? So this is the using the subquery. But the problem is what? Every time we will have to write, right? If I want the 14th maximum salary, again I will have to write this 14 times. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But here, if I want the 14th maximum salary, what I will do? Can you just tell me?
13 we will write.
Where I will write what? Where condition will be
Four.
changed to what?
13.
13
13. Yes or no, guys?
yes
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Sir,
tell me yes or no?
yes
Yes. Yeah.
Sir, in table, can you explain me for second maximum salary in Excel sheet?
Yeah,
Uh,
this is which is the people earning second maximum salary? Tell me. 3,000. Yes or no, guys? Yes. This is the person, and one more is there. What is that person?
5000
I need
What?
1500 here. Matlab, can you write here?
Yes, see, suppose I take 3,000. Yes or no,
Hmm.
guys? Yes. So
Yes,
3,000
sir.
will be compared to 800. See here. 3,000, compare it with 800. Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, is it true or false?
So true. No, false.
Guys, please see carefully. It is
Sorry,
false, right?
false, sir. Yes, sir.
And then count is what? 0. Yes or no,
0,
guys?
sir. 0, sir. Yes.
Similarly, this 3,000 will be compared to which are the values, guys? See, where is that 3,000? Hold on. Yeah. No, no, where is that 3,000? One is Ford and one is what?
Sir, Scott.
Scott, sorry. Yeah, now again, this 3,000 will be compared to 1,600, false, 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 false. But when it will be compared to 5,000, then what will happen? Tell me. 3,000 less than 5,000. Now tell me, the condition is true or false?
True, sir.
True. The count will be
Okay.
what?
1.
1. Yes or no,
Okay.
guys?
Yes, sir.
So 1 equals to 1. Is it the second maximum salary?
Yes, sir. So, sir, suppose you take a third one, 2850, sorry, 2970. In this case, what will happen?
Guys, in that way, you compare one by one, okay?
Only
Okay.
last, sir.
Okay. See, this is the third maximum salary, right?
No,
Okay.
sir. Third is
975.
2975.
Okay, 2975, okay?
Mm.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Mm.
So for third maximum salary, what should be the count? Tell me. Count should be what? 2. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now this 2975 compared to 2975. Till here, count is 0000000. When it is compared to 3000, what will happen? Tell me.
Count will be 1.
1. And
Yes,
see,
sir.
first of all, let me just show you. 2975 compared to first value 3000. Is it true or false? True. Count is what, guys? 1. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Again, this 2975 will be compared to 5000. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now 2975 is less than 3000. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Condition is true. Count is what? Now tell me. Count will be what?
Sir, 2.
Guys, count will be 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, this 2975 will be compared to 3000. Will the count increase? No.
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Are you understanding why I have written distinct B dot cell?
Yes,
or no,
sir,
guys?
sir.
If I
Means-
don't write, again what will happen? Count will be 3, right? And then we will not get the condition, right?
Yes, sir.
So now the count is 2. 2 means what, guys? It is which maximum salary?
Third.
Third maximum salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Got
Now,
it, sir. Thank you.
now all of you write down a query. It's your turn. Query to find the employee who are getting third minimum salary. Okay? Third minimum salary. Please try, everyone. Write in the chat. Query to find the employee who is earning third minimum salary, not maximum, minimum. Okay? So let me just show you the table. So this is the third minimum, 1100. So using the correlated query, write down this query.
Third minimum salary. Okay.
No, this is wrong, Shrikant. Third minimum.
14. 14. एक मिनट सर.
Do it.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Almost correct, but there is something you have done in the where condition. Try.
Where mean of sal?
No. Something
Sir,
they are doing. There is something.
select count.
Where
Yeah,
second?
count. I have missed count.
No.
Count.
No one has written till now the correct query. Kanika and Srikanth has almost, Kanika has almost touched it, but little bit she has done mistake.
Sir, I have forgot count before this thing. I
Yeah,
should
right.
count.
Yeah, keep
Okay.
trying, guys, until you write the correct query. Still, no one has written the correct query. No. Yeah. Who has written this query? Juhi. Have you written this query?
Yes.
That's the correct query. Very good. Excellent, guys. So now, time over. If anyone will write the correct query, then time is over. Okay.
Yes, I have also written it, but on my notepad.
No, that is not. You give me the screenshot, okay, from the
I'll
notepad here.
send you. I'll send you.
So for third maximum, guys, count will be what? Tell me. Count will be what? Tell me. Third minimum count will be what? 2. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So what is the query? Simple query. Select star from EMP A where what? 2
Two.
equals to what?
2.
Select what? Count of distinct what? B dot cell from EMP B where A dot cell not less than. It will be what? That is the trick. Greater than what? B dot cell. Yes or no, guys? That is what was the trick. 2 tricks were there. There's actually one trick. Third minimum, it will be 2 only. Instead of less than, we had to write what? Greater than. That's what you had to think. Third minimum is, I think, 1100.
So we can write this way where 11 and here we will use less than.
No.
Where then it will take
11 means what? Your 11 means what? It is the 12th maximum salary, right?
12
We can't
max.
use more than 4, right?
Yes.
In count.
No, you can use anything. That's fine. You
And
can use 100 also. That's
So
fine.
okay. And
if
okay.
12th maximum salary, then it's minimum also, na? From if less than we
Yes,
will use here greater than sign.
but
maybe.
how you know that there are 14 records? This is the table you have seen, that's fine. But you have to write a
Yeah.
generic query, right? That will not be a
Okay.
generic query, right?
Okay,
See,
fine.
I don't know if there are 1000 records. Okay, there are 10,000 records. There are 1 crore record. That's fine. If I have to get it, I don't know, third maximum, that means I'll put here 2. Third minimum, I have put here 2. Maximum
Okay.
minimum, I have to put 2. And if it is minimum, I'll put it as greater than. Why I'm putting the greater than? Can you tell me, guys? Anyone?
Because
we have to find minimum.
minimum.
Yes, because we have to find the minimum, right? The salaries will be compared. This is the first minimum. See, 800 greater than 800, 0, false. 800 greater than 1600. So it will be false for everywhere. So count will be what? 0. So this is the first minimum. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is what was the trick. But unfortunately, no, but one has written. That's fine. Juhi has written. Very good, Juhi. Next query. query to find employee, okay, first three maximum salaries, first three maximum salary. Okay, so that means top three maximum salaries I want. Let me write like this: top three maximum salary with their employee name. Okay, yes or no, guys? Yes, let me write like this: top three maximum salary with their employee name. Can I just try this query? Top three. If you can write top three, you can write bottom three. So just try this top three. Yeah, just try this top three so that we can learn the bottom three later. What about Juhi? Are you trying?
Sir, we have to use this top.
Yeah,
keyword.
which are the top three salaries, maximum salary? If I write it like this, select a star from EMP, order by salary DESC. So which are the top three employee who is earning? First is what? King, Ford. Okay, these two. Now King is earning the first. Okay, and then Ford and Scott is earning second. And then who is earning? Jones is earning. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So can you just find out?
So we can also use this top function.
No, top function will work in SQL Server. Don't do all those things. What I have taught, just try with this.
I think we have to write 3.
Guys,
Select
write down
star.
the query. Please don't ask from.
Select.
Please
Okay.
don't ask from me. See, count function will return only one value. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
So you cannot use these three values. Okay. You have to use one value only. The concept is
Yeah.
correct. 210. But how
Yeah.
can
So
so
the
don't tell
query
me
will
anything.
be
Just try,
okay.
guys.
I can't.
Okay, just try. This is concept is correct. So you have to think, how can I get 210 at one shot? Which operator I can use?
If we give a count,
Again, guys, I'm telling you not to discuss with me. Just try.
okay.
See, why you are putting, Srikanth, three values? Think one relational operator which will capture all these three values. Your concept is completely clean. 210, I am absolutely okay with that. How can I get 210 using which operator? That is what you have to think. What about Juhi and all? Yes or no, guys? Tanu, Kanika, is it done? So let me just start, guys, because no. No. Okay, fine, guys. Let us just not waste the time. Okay, let us just see here. Top three means what, guys? For top salary, what is the count? Tell me. Can someone tell?
5,000,
No,
5,000,
no, what is the
3,000.
count? What is the count,
2, sir.
guys? What is the count for the top salary?
Sir, 2.
No, the count is 0.
0. 3 salaries for top 3, then
No,
3.
no, I'm
2.
telling for the top salary, what is the count?
0, sir.
0.
Guys, after telling so many times, if you cannot answer this, then that is a very big problem. I told you how many times that count will be 0 for first maximum salary.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the count for the second maximum salary?
1,
1,
sir.
1,
What is the count for the third maximum salary?
2,
2.
Sir.
2. So what is the operator we will use? 2 greater than or equal to. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes,
Why
sir.
we will use this? Can you just think?
yes, yes,
Because see, is 0 greater than 2? Yes.
Yes.
So I'll get the first maximum. If
Yes,
is
sir.
1, is 2 greater than 1? Yes or no,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
yes,
We will get the second maximum. Is 2 greater than 2? No. But is 2 equal to 2? Yes. That means I'll get the third maximum. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Right. That is what was the concept. Srikanth was almost there, but he could not thought
So
of
query was same. We have to add the 2
greater than,
greater
equal
than,
to.
equal to, and select. Yes, so I didn't add the greater than. How can we remember all these things
By
while solving
practicing.
queries?
By practicing. Yes or no, guys? First maximum 5,000, second maximum is 3,000, and third maximum is 2,975. Yes or no, guys?
Sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
use these greater than equal to for non-equijoin, na? So the pattern
But
will
this
be
is not a
different.
joint. This is what, guys? Correlated query. Yes or no,
Once
guys?
here we can also use this greater than equal to.
Yes. That is why I showed you this query, right?
Okay, sir.
So if I tell you bottom 3 salaries, details of employee earning bottom 3 salary, what will be the query?
Sir,
Less
bottom
than.
3, then less than.
2 greater than equal to, or we can change here, right? A
Yes,
dot
sir.
salary is greater than what? B dot salary. Yes or no,
B
guys?
dot cell.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
See, if I wanted bottom salary, what I will do, I'll not do nothing. I'll just
Okay.
remove this less than and I'll put it as greater than. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the bottom 3 salary, 800, 950, and 1100. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I want first maximum and first maximum, okay, second minimum, okay, and I want also suppose fourth maximum, okay. Yes or no, guys? Yes. In one query. So what can I do? In one query, what can I do? I'll use an operator called as what, guys? Union. I'll use an operator called as what, guys? Union.
Union.
So what I will do? First, I'll write the first maximum query. Then I will use union. Then I will write second maximum query. Then I will again use what, guys? Union.
Union.
And then what I will write? Fourth maximum salary. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So can you just tell me the query, everyone?
Select star from EMPA where
Tell me the query. Now tell me. In one query. Select star from EMPA where 0 equals to what? Select
select
count of
count of this thing
distinct what?
B dot cell,
B
B dot cell
From which table?
from
EMP
EMP
B where what?
B where
A
A
dot
dot
cell
cell
is less than what? B dot
B
cell
dot cell
union what?
union first maximum.
This is first maximum salary queries. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Or union what? What is the second maximum query? Select
Select
star from EMP A where what?
1.
1
1.
equals to what? Same query. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
No, this is second minimum. For second minimum,
Oh,
this will
but
be 2, and this less than sign will be changed to what? Greater than. Yes or no, guys?
yes, so we suppose we have to write three of them in a one query, so we have to write like three different queries.
Yes, yes. And we are using union. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes,
For
sir.
fourth maximum, what is the query? Can you just tell me?
So
Yes,
we will
select
write
star
3.
from EMP where.
3. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Let
Here,
us
sir,
just execute it. Will it
the
execute?
sign, you need to change the sign, I think.
Where?
Sir, second one.
Second minimum is this only, right? Second minimum, it will be 1, right?
Okay,
And,
minimum it's
yes.
okay.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let us see this query executes or not. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is what, guys? This is the first maximum. This is the
This is this
second.
second
Yeah, this is the second
minimum.
minimum. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this is what, guys? For which one?
Third,
Third, fourth maximum. Yes or no, guys?
fourth maximum.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I have to take an topic today: exist and not exist. Can I take, or it's too
Yes,
much?
sir. No, I think it's done for today. It's okay for today. Our brain can't digest this much of knowledge at one time.
No, but this is based on the same concept, okay? This thing
Yes, sir.
exists or not exist, okay? So anyways, the class is till 9:15. So 9:15 I can take only, okay?
Yes, sir.
After 9:15 only I can ask.
Yes.
So exist means what, guys? Because it's based on the same concept, okay?
Okay,
A
sir.
particular record exists in the inner query or not, okay? Inner query or not. It is like a Boolean value. Boolean value. It will give what, guys? True or,
True or false?
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Not exist, same thing like that. That particular record does not exist in the inner query. That's all, same thing. Inner query. So the syntax is select a star from the EMP where exists, okay? And then select anything you can write. You can write column name or a particular number also, 1, 2, anything from the inner table EMP. Suppose I take B, and this is suppose EMP A. And what you have to write is where A dot department number equals to B dot department number. So let us just first execute it so that you will understand. Okay. Yeah. So let me just take an example which is different from this one. Select a star from EMP A where not exist. Select a star from DPTB where not exists. And then I'm writing select one from EMP where EMP A where A dot department number equals to B dot department number, and let us just execute it, okay? So that it becomes a clear query. Now, see,
So
exist.
one means here. Select one means.
Yeah, that is what I'll tell the execution, okay?
Okay.
So now just I've executed this query, okay? Let us just understand. So what happens in correlated query? Tell me what happens in correlated query. First, which query will execute?
Outer.
Outer query.
What is the outer query? Select star from DPTB. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So what is the department table? Tell me. Select star from DPT. This is the department table. These are the records. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let us paste it in Excel so that we can have a clear understanding. These are the values. Okay. Department number 10, accounting, research, sales, 40. Department numbers are, which are the department number? Can you just tell me? 10,
10, 20,
20,
30,
30,
40.
40. And which are the department name?
Accounting,
Research,
research, sales,
sales and
operation.
operation.
Which are the location?
New
New
York,
York,
Dallas,
Dallas,
Chicago,
Yes,
Boston.
Chicago and
Ghost.
So which is the department which is only in department table, which is not in EMP table? Which is that department?
Yes.
Which is that department?
40.
Department
In
number
EMP
40.
40, sir.
40.
40.
See, here 10 is there, 20 is there, 30 is there, but is that 40 there in EMP
No.
table?
Sir. No, sir.
So it does not exist in this table, yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what happens is, so I have to check it. So that time is one
But
crore,
in B also not exist, right?
which does not exist.
In B table also does not exist the 40 number.
Yeah, this is EMP table only, right? This is
Yes.
EMP table only, right? Whose name is A. This is EMP table whose name is B, right? Here also
Yes,
does
yes,
not
yes.
exist.
Hmm.
So now, guys, there are conditions when there are 1 crore data loaded from source to target, and we have to find out which data is not loaded into the target. That time we can use this not exist. That means what, guys? I want to check that which department number is present in this department table and which is not present in this EMP table. This is my source. This is my target. So what I will use it, what? Not exist. What I will use, guys? Not exist. This works in correlation. This works in what, guys? Correlation. First, which
Sir,
query will execute?
Sir,
Outer
but
query.
why you took one? Why one?
Let me explain. Let me explain. Please hold on. Okay. Please wait. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Please wait. Okay. Not exist means what? It will work in which thing? Correlation. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So which is the department which is present in the department table and not present in the EMP table? That is what we have to find out. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to equate? These department numbers should be equal to this department number. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So suppose this name of this table is B. Okay. So what I have to write? Tell me. A dot department number equals to what, guys? B dot department number. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
No. Now what happened is, this is the condition. This is what is my condition. Now here the inner query is just looking for anything. It is just based on true or false value. The outer query, what I'm writing is select star from DPTB where exists. This is based on true false condition. This is based on what, guys? Understand is there now exist, not exist. People are not able to understand only. That is again a challenge. So what happened is that this query tells, I want the value, okay, where it does not exist. Okay, it is just caring about where it gets a value. If it gets a value from the inner query, this will execute. That's all.
Where not exist?
Where
What is
not
not
exist?
exist?
Where not exist? This department number
Okay.
where it is not exist. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? This outer query is telling I will check each and every department from here. First, I will check this department 10 with all these departments. If it exists, don't give me the output. Don't give me the output. Now, if it exists, don't give me the output. If it exists, does not give me. If it exists, does not give me the exist. What output I want it if it does not exist. If this 10 does not exist here, then give me the output. But 10 exists, so it will not give the output. Here 20 exists, it will not give the output. 30 exists, it will not give the output. But when it is comparing the 40 value, then what will happen? 40 is the value which does not exist. So it will give what output? Here you can take in the inner query, you can take 1 also, you can take 2 also, you can take 0 also, you can take column name also. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can take column name also. And from what table, guys? EMP.
EMP table.
EMP, suppose its name is A. Yes or no, guys? Yes. And what is the condition? Where condition. Where this is matching. Yes, wherever it is matching, okay, just give me that value, okay? Suppose 10 is matching to 10, 20 is matching to 20, 30 is matching to 30. This particular department numbers are selected. Now, what it is expecting is not exist. That means what will happen? This will give some value if it is matching, if it is matching, if it is matching. But for 40, what will happen is, but 40, it will not match. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So
Yes.
that is the record in the outer query, which does not exist where? In the inner query. Now let us just see here. If this is the query, now I have written 1, okay, I can write anything, 2304, department number, column name, anything. Now what is this query telling is, first execute this query got executed. Now this is my output. Now it is expecting where it does not exist. So where it does not exist, so it started with department 10. It went to this table and it started comparing 10 equal to 10. 10 equal to 10, yes. 10 is equals to 10, yes. Select 1 is selected. So the output is what? 1 is coming. So where not exists, so output should not come anything, but here 1 is coming. So that is not the department which exists in department table and does not exist in EMP table. This is not the department. Now what will happen is, this will return true only when there is no output given by the inner query. So what will happen is, I go for department 40. Now what will happen? A dot department number equals to B dot department number. This condition does not get satisfied. We did not got any output from the inner query. Then what happens? This is what is the expectation. Then it will be true. That means 40 not exist in this EMP A table. That means this is the department 40 which we were looking for. Okay, so here it is just the opposite. Opposite is what? It should not exist. So I am looking for the department which is present in department table, not present in EMP table. If I go for 40 department, A dot department number is not equals to B dot department number. We are not getting any output. If we are not getting any output, that means yes, now not exist is true. This is what? True. Now what will happen?
Okay.
This is the department 40 which does not exist in EMP table and which is present in department table. I can write 1, I can write 2, I can write 3, I can write anything. Let me just show you.
Sir, can we write a star here? Asterisk
See,
instead of 1.
guys,
Can I write asterisk?
let me just write down.
Yeah.
Yes or no, guys?
Sir, I did not understand this. Why
Okay,
one
so
Yeah, one second. Let me just execute this query in different way, okay? This star is clear. Now I'm putting department number. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now I'm putting 2. 0. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? For everywhere
Yes.
we are getting the record or not? Yes or no,
Yes,
guys?
we are getting the records because it's not exist in the A or B table, but it exists in our job
Department
whatever
table.
department table.
Yes or no, guys? Yes. So let us just see this query. Select a star from department table. Select a star from EMP table. Okay. So it works in correlation. First, which query will execute? Department table will execute. Now it wants to find a department which only exists in department table and does not exist in which table? EMP table.
EMP
So if you
table.
want to compare a value which is only present, a quality which is only present in you and not present in the other person, what you will do? You will start comparing one by one, right? I am hardworking, okay? So I will compare with the other person. Is he hardworking? If he is hardworking, then what happened? That is not, then it is false, right? Because I am also hardworking and Tannu is also hardworking. Okay, we both are hardworking. Then what will happen, guys? Then
It's same.
that is not the condition what we are expecting. Yes,
Yes.
or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
But suppose I watch movie, okay, and Tannu
Yes.
does not watch movie. So that is the
Yes.
quality. That is the quality what I have, which Tannu does not have. Then my condition is true. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Similarly, I want to find the department which is present in department table and not
But
present in
not in the
EMP table.
EMP table.
That means not exist condition will be true when that particular quality does not exist in the inner query. Inner query will not give any output, then only not exist will be true. And inner query is based on the condition what? This department number should be equals to this department number. So what is the condition for 40? Is 40 equal to any of the department? No.
No.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
So I have faith on 40. I started comparing this 10. I thought that this 10 is not present here. But when I started comparing, 10 was present here. Then what happened? The inner query given a value, whether it is 1 or 2 or 0, that means my outer query understood. What it understood is this department exists. Okay. So this is what we are not looking for. Similarly, I checked for 20. The inner query got executed and we got a value 0 here. That means what? The outer query understood this is not the department which is present in department table and not present in EMP table. Similarly for 30, but when we executed for 40, so 40 is not equivalent to any of this department, then the inner query does not given any output. Then what happens? This become the true condition because we are not getting any output from the inner query. That means this is the department which is present only in department table and not present in EMP table. First outer query got executed. Based on the outer query, inner query got executed. Then inner query given the output. And then finally, which query got executed? That
Outer.
particular outer query got executed.
Inner query, the result will be 10, 20, 30. Hana?
Yes.
10, 20, 30. And you are saying where not exist. Matlab, where not exist means
It should not
inner
give
query.
any. It should not give any output. It should not give any output. Okay, that is what is
Okay.
the thing. See, if I write here exist, what will happen? See
Sir,
here.
but in past lectures, you did not take select 1, 2, 3. What does it mean? Select
See,
1,
nothing.
2,
One
3.
will be selected. Suppose select one from EMP will be what?
Okay.
All the one will come 14 times. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Okay.
If I take select 0 from EMP, what will happen? 0 will come 14 times.
Sir, and what's the column name here? 0.
No, nothing. Whatever the 0 is there, 0 will come. 0 is the column name.
Sir, then why you take 1, 0? Why you take there?
Because I taken so that not exist can be used is like a true and false value. It is not based on the department number which is coming and we have to compare those department number. That is not exist and exist. It is just true or false. Is it giving a value? Is it true or false? If it is giving a value, what happens? Tell me, if it is giving a value, it is true. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So for not exist, that is false. Okay. So
Sir, no, sir, I am not getting. If you take 0, then it will give the 0 value because select 0 you have taken, whatever the condition is asked.
listen. Now see here. Okay.
Sir, suppose you write 25. You
Now
don't
I have
the
to
25.
hold on. My train is in Mumbai. Okay. Now let us just understand. Okay. If you give me a symbol, okay, any symbol, I told you, you give me any symbol. Okay. Okay, you give me a symbol of 1, you give me a symbol of 0, you give me a symbol of department number. If you tell me anything, okay, that means my train is in Mumbai. Okay, suppose you told me 1, that means my train is in Mumbai. If you told me 0, my train is in Mumbai. If you told me department number, my train is in Mumbai. But if you did not told anything, that means my train has been departed from Mumbai and it has gone some other place. Okay. Now that is what I am looking for. I am looking for the value when you don't speak anything. Okay. Similar, understand like this. So when what will happen for 40, it will not give anything. It will not give anything. That means that is the department which I am looking for. That is the true condition what I am looking for. That is the department which does not exist in inner query. When it will
Sir,
not, yeah, tell me.
sir, this is the symbol. One is the symbol.
No,
1, 2,
you
3.
can give
This.
anything. I told you any 1, 2, 0, 4. You can give a column name. If you are getting confused, just give the column name. Okay. You can give anything. You can give, yeah, that is the symbol 1. You can, that is the symbol 1. Okay. Now, if I give here department number, I showed you, no, we can give anything, right?
Sir,
Yes
you
or no?
execute this one. Select one from EMP A where A dot DPT equal to. Then what is the result?
Yeah, select star from EMPA. Yes, tell me. Where?
Where
Hmm.
department number
Hmm.
E dot department number A
Hmm.
dot department number equal to the second table जो भी है equal to B dot department number.
No, that like that query will not, you have to take two tables, right?
Yes,
You have
yes,
to
yes.
first tell, right? Suppose you want to join these two tables. So what you will write? Select a star from EMPA, join EMPB, okay? EMPB, where what? On what? A dot, okay, you want to
Oh no,
understand.
sir. I want
Hold
I
on.
want to take select one here. Yes.
Okay, select one from EMPA, okay? Join EMPB. What will happen?
Where
A dot department number equals to B dot department number.
department
What
number.
will happen, guys? Tell me. 14 times wherever the data are matching, it will come. Yes or no, guys? 70 times. Wherever the 111 has matched. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir, so same ways we are getting the result in that query.
Yes.
If we give 1, then we will get 1 as
Yes,
an
you will
output.
get 1. You will get 1 wherever that is matching. Wherever that is matching, it will give 1. This 10 and this 10 from department table is matching. You will get 1, 1. Again, this one and this one is 20 and 20 is matching. Again, you will get 1, 1. Okay.
Okay.
This
Then
is a EMP table. This is a department table. Okay. Wherever it is matching, it will give what? 1. This 10 is matching with this 10, you will get 1, 1. This 10 is matching with this 10, again you will get 1, 1. This 10 is again matching with another 10, then again you will get 1, 1.
Okay. And what do you want? You want not exist.
Yeah.
Then means that means we
Select
don't
star
want
from
1.
where not exist. Okay, you have to take not exist. You don't want which is present in the department table column. Okay, department table. Okay. Okay, the department. So what you will write? Where not exist, what you will do here? Here you can write select any output, A, 1, 2, anything you wrote, then what will happen? Suppose I write X, okay? From what? EMPB, where what? A dot department number equals to B dot department number. So now what will happen, guys, is select star from where not exists. Select X from EMPB where A dot department number equals to B dot department number. Select star from where not exists. Is the query correct from EMPB where A dot is the
semicolon is missing, I think.
where?
Semicolon.
Last semicolon. Yeah.
Let me just bring my query. Okay, this is the query, right? Now, yeah, this is the query, right? Let me just paste it. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So what I was telling is this query, if I write here X, then what will happen?
Means where it will match, then the output will be X and we don't want X.
Yes.
So
yes.
Means except X, what are the results it will show?
It will, yeah, see, you consider this as first it will consider the records, okay? Exist and not exist, it will take time for you people to grasp, okay? Because I know to become friendly with this, it takes time, okay? It's not that easy concept. You have to first understand whatever I have told, okay? You have to think that in this department, as a person, I think these are my departments. Every department I think is not present in EMP table. So what I will take? I will take this department, start checking in this department. And
Hmm.
if this is equals to this one, I get any output from the inner query. That means this is not what I was looking for. Okay. Then I take department 20. I check in this table. If I get any output from this table, that means this is not what I am looking for. Similarly for 30, and finally for 40. When I checked 40, I checked in this table. I did not got any output. That means this is what I was looking for. This is the right person. This is the right department, which does not exist where? In this
Hmm.
EMP table.
So means where it is matching, the output will be X. And one in 40, the output will not be X and 40 will display. है ना?
Yes, yes. Now you
Okay.
got it. Now you got
Okay.
it.
Sir,
Fine, guys. Yeah, tell me.
okay. Sir, I have one query. I have one question.
Yeah,
There is
tell me.
one query. Select star from EMPA. Join cell grid S on A dot SAL greater than equal to S dot LOC
A dot cell,
and
A dot cell.
cell greater than equal to S dot low cell and A dot cell less than equal to S dot high cell and semicolon. Sir, this I understood, but you told me about the range operator in this. Between we will use, but in between we are using S dot low cell and S dot high cell. Means in this we are not taking the equal to. If we are not taking the equal to, then
Equal to is taken in between operator. Okay. Equal to is taken in between operator. If I go with the value, a range between 3,000 and 5,000, if
okay,
I write, that means what? The salary is greater than or equal to 3,000,
okay.
and the
Means
salary is what? Less
acha,
than or
acha.
equal to 5,000.
Okay, in between it will automatically means it includes. The rule
Yes,
is
yes.
it will, okay, fine. Thank you, sir.